beautiful family, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I'm Glory. Thank you for stopping by to watch today's video. In today's video, we are making the most powerful, potent hair growth grease that will help to grow your hair fuller, longer and stronger, and also it will help to promote faster hair growth. If your hair have not been retaining moisture, this hair grease will help you to retain moisture. And also, if you have been struggling to grow your hair, this hair grease to help you to grow your hair faster. Okay, so let's dive into today's video. My first ingredient is dry rosemary leaf. Rosemary helps to promote hair growth and make our hair grow faster. So I'm putting 1 full tablespoon of my dry rosemary leaf. Make sure that everything you are using is free of moisture. Okay, it's very important. So after putting that, my next is my powder cinnamon powder. I'm putting 1 full tablespoon of my cinnamon powder. Next is my so fine hair grease. This hair grease is very effective. It also helps to control dandruff on your hair, also grow your hair. If you have not been using this so fine hair grease, after today's video you rush and buy yours. So next, I'll put 1 full tablespoon of this my so fine hair grease. Okay, next is my hair wonder. This hair wonder hair grease is very effective. If you have not been using this, please try and budget one for yourself. You will love it. Everything they use to produce this is natural ingredients. Is very effective to help to grow your hair, thicken up your hair, make your hair get more fuller. I put 1 full tablespoon of that. Next is my shea butter. Make sure that you are using original shea butter. I put 2 full tablespoons of my shea butter. Shea butter really help to keep your hair for long moisturized. Shea butter is very good in your hair. very effective. Next is my carrier oil. You can use any carrier oil of your choice, but make sure that you are not using too much oil so that your butter will not be running, so that your grease will not be running, I mean to say. So next is my palm kernel oil. If you have 1 or 2 carrier oil of your favorite carrier oil, you can make use of it. It's not that you must make use of the one that I make use of. Okay, the first carrier oil I use is extra virgin olive oil. Second is this palm kernel oil. Palm kernel oil also helps to grow hair, darken up your hair. Okay, so next, after then, I will mix that up thoroughly. I will mix them together so that they will mix up very well. Next, I will transfer that in my double boiling method. My water is already be boiling, so I will just transfer this into the hot water that is already be boiling. This is the only way you can infuse this hair butter, but make sure that you not put too much water, and also make sure that the light is not high. Low the light. Okay, so turn it consistency until everything melted and infused. So I leave this for 10 minutes to infuse very well. Okay, after 10 minutes, I will remove it out of the fire and allow it to cool down a little bit before I can strain it. Okay, don't allow it to cool completely so that it will not solidify. If you allow it to cool completely, to solidify, which means it's not going to be easy for you to strain it out. So strain it out when it's still a little bit hot. Okay, it's very necessary. So after straining it, I will put it in my freezer. But if you don't have freezer, don't mind, just cover it up and keep it in a cool, dark place to solidify. Put it in the freezer to solidify, because freezer make it more faster to solidify. Okay, so keep on watching. There's a lot to learn about this hair grease, the way to use it and the best way to apply it on your hair to get best results. At this point, if you are new in this channel, welcome. This channel is all about how to grow your natural hair or your relaxed hair without breaking the bank. I promise you that you will not regret it. So join the family by subscribing, like the video and turn up your post notification bell so I'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you and welcome to the family. My returning subscribers, my returning viewers, you guys are amazing. Thank you so much for always come back to watch my video. I really appreciate you. I love you guys so much. Thank you. Okay, please, if this video is helpful to you, please do not forget to share to your family and friends, okay, and give me a thumbs up. Okay, leave a comment in comment section below, and if you are not turn up your post notification bell, please do so. Thank you so much for doing that. Next, I'll put my vitamin E oil, vitamin E capsule, sorry, but if you have vitamin E oil, make use of it. This one capsule of vitamin E is equivalent to 1 tablespoon of your vitamin E oil. After then, I will mix it thoroughly very well. After mixing it with my spoon, I will cover it and put it in my freezer. But if you don't have freezer, cover it up and leave it in a cool dark plate. It will still solidify, but just freezer make it more faster. Okay, that is different. Freezer will make it solidify more faster. So after I cover it up, see the beautiful hair grease. This hair grease is so amazing. I mean it when I said it. I'm not kidding. A trial will convince you. So after 8 to 10 minutes, this is our beautiful hair grease. Very effective. So next is how to use this to get best results ever. How to use this on your hair. Correct way to use it to get better results. So first, make sure that you are not using this on your dry hair. Moisturize your hair first. Okay, make sure that you moisturize your hair. I mean, use your water or your herbal tea to hydrate your hair, and use this hair grease as your sealant. This hair grease will keep your hair super long moisturized and super long healthy, make your hair promote healthy hair growth. Okay, so I'm using it on my scalp and also on the strand of my hair. Okay, make sure that you use it on your scalp, but if you don't like using hair grease on your scalp, no problem, you can use it only on your strands of your hair. But to get the best result is to use it on your scalp and also on the strands of your hair. You know that our hair grow from the scalp, okay, and the ingredient that we use to infuse this hair grease, they are very benefit on the scalp, on your hair, and also on the strands of your hair. So use it on your scalp. There's no harm on it. Okay, feel free to make use of it on your scalp to get the best and better results. Okay, so use it, massage your scalp and also rub it, use it on the strand of your hair. Okay, use it. So use this for 2 to 3 times in a week, especially if you are struggling to grow your hair. Use this 2 to 3 times in a week to see in your hair moisture. I repeat, use this 2 to 3 times in a week if you are struggling to grow your hair. This hair butter, do not sleep on it. What I mean by do not sleep on it is do not joke with it. It's very effective, very powerful. Okay, with a consistent use of this hair butter for 1 month, I guarantee you a shock result on your hair. You definitely see a big change on your hair. I mean it. Just try it and you love the outcome of it. Okay, do not joke with this hair grease. It's very effective, and the ingredients you use to infuse this hair grease, they are easy to find. Okay, so use it. And if you are not struggling to grow your hair, can use it once in a week because it keep long moisture. I repeat, if you are not struggling to grow your hair, just want hair grease that will keep your hair long moisture, use this for once in a week or twice in a week because it moisturizes your hair very well. Okay, so this hair grease is a must try. Okay, so at this point, if you are not giving this girl a thumbs up, please give me a thumbs up. It helps the channel to grow. It helps YouTube to push this video to more people. Okay, thank you so much for doing that. And if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe. Okay, thank you. also for doing that for your baby girl. I love you guys, or I love you so much for your massive support and for your love and for your sharing. I love you so much. And do not forget to massage your scalp, okay, after applying this. Please massage your scalp. Is very necessary. I do not show that. If you're OG in this channel, you know that I like massaging my scalp, but I do not show that in this video. Massaging is very important. Make sure that you massage your scalp very well after using this product. The best way to get better results, okay? Do not forget to do that. Thank you so much for watching up to this point. I love you guys so much. This is where I'll be closing today's video. I hope that this video is helpful. I hope that you learn one or two in today's video. I love you guys so much. Thank you. See you in my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye.